It is important both metabolic and excretory function. So it is the largest internal organ, and it has a double blood supply. एक blood supply hepatic artery, and the other blood supply is the portal vein, which supplies blood to the liver. And it is present on the right side of the abdominal cavity below the diaphragm. And it is about 1.4 to 1.6 kilogram in male and 1.2 to 1.4 kilogram in females. And this is the gross structure of the liver. Dark blackish and reddish color. इस पे जो gallbladder is on the under surface of the liver. और इसके अलावा you can see the blood vessels going in and coming out from it. It is the, from biochemistry point of view, liver is the epicenter of the metabolism, of all kind of the metabolism, जितने भी carbohydrate, lipid और different metabolism जो है होता है, उसका जो सेंटर है वो लिवर है. एंड बहुत सारे इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेसेस गोइंग ऑन इन द लिवर, and it is the center point where all the different type of the metabolisms of the different substances meet with each other. इसके अलावा it destroys the bacteria, antigen, detoxify harmful chemicals. इसके लिए भी जो है metabolism चाहिए होता है, chemical reactions that occurs in the liver. And इसके अलावा जो है इसका effect जो है वो almost all the tissues of the body पे होता है, इसके मेटाबॉलिज्म का इफेक्ट. फंक्शंस जो है एज यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन, इसके जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म, इट डू द लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म, प्रोटीन मेटाबॉलिज्म, बाइल मेटाबॉलिज्म, हीम मेटाबॉलिज्म, बिलिरुबिन मेटाबॉलिज्म, और इसके अलावा जीनोबायोटिक मेटाबॉलिज्म, कोगुलेशन का फंक्शन भी है, स्टोरेज है, एंडोक्राइन फंक्शन है, इम्यून एंड इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पॉन्स ये भी एक फंक्शन है, और इसके अलावा इट ऑल्सो एक्ट एज ए ब्लड रिजर्वायर. सो दीज आर द मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ द लिवर. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे फंक्शन है, वो काफी माइनर है. सबसे पहले द रोल ऑफ लिवर इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म. लिवर जो है इट इज सप्लाइड बाय द पोर्टल वेन, एंड पोर्टल वेन जो है इट कलेक्ट्स ब्लड फ्रॉम द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. तो जो भी डाइट में हमने कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, प्रोटीन्स एंड व्हाटएवर न्यूट्रिएंट व्हिच वी had taken in our diet, it actually goes to the liver first. So when the carbohydrate in the form of the glucose, it reaches the liver by portal vein, it is converted into glucose 6 phosphate by the enzyme hexokinase and glucokinase. In the liver it is glucokinase. और glucose 6 phosphate जो है inside the hepatocytes, it is the main product जिससे मजीद मेटाबॉलिज्म में it will enter. सबसे important चीज है glycogen formation. Liver is the center of glycogen formation, यानी glycogen synthesis या glycogenesis जिसे कहते हैं, and glycogen is the storage form of glucose. So whatever glucose, extra glucose which is coming to the liver from the GIT, majority of it is converted into glycogen for future purpose. और उसके अलावा जो है जब बॉडी में ग्लूकोज की जरूरत होगी तो यही ग्लाइकोजन जो है by the reactions of glycogenolysis it is converted into glucose and released into the blood, ताकि blood में ग्लूकोज की concentration जो है वो down ना हो सके. So this is the one of the most important function of the liver, is to store the glycogen or convert the glucose into glycogen and store it. इसके अलावा भी ग्लूकोज 6 फॉस्फेट ग्लाइकोजन में कन्वर्ट होता है। इसके अलावा ग्लूकोज जो है इट कैन गोज टू द ग्लाइकोलाइसिस एंड कन्वर्टेड इनटू इम्पोर्टेंट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड एटीपीज। और इसके अलावा जो है ग्लूकोज जो है वो HMP शंट वाली पाथवे में भी जा सकता है and it will produce the ribose 5 phosphate which is required for the formation of the DNA and RNA. One more thing about liver is that not only it do the glycogenesis, it also do the gluconeogenesis. जब बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी में ग्लूकोज की ज़रूरत हो एंड देयर इज स्टार्वेशन, सप्लाई ग्लूकोज की जो है डाइट के ज़रिए नहीं आ रही, तो ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल जो है इट विल डिक्रीज। सो ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस यानी ग्लाइकोजन जो है वो ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट होकर उसे मेंटेन करेगा। एंड वन मोर प्रोसेस विल हेल्प इट, दैट इज ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस, यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम non-glucose raw material like from lipid यानी glycerol convert हो जाता है and from the amino acid. This ability of the liver to convert is only present in the liver, gluconeogenesis. So this is also very important metabolic function of the liver in carbohydrate metabolism. In this picture, you can see glucose comes to the liver, converted into glucose 6 phosphate, और फिर इसके बाद glucose 6 phosphate can go to the pyruvate glycolysis, pyruvate and TCA cycle and generate ATPs. It can go to, the majority of it goes to form the glycogen if there is a plenty of glucose, or also glucose can go to the HMP shunt and form the ribose. और इसके रिवर्स भी सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं। ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस होता है फ्रॉम पायरुवेट, और ग्लाइकोजन जो है इट इज आल्सो कैन बी डिग्रेडेड टू फॉर्म द ग्लूकोज। वन मोर पिक्चर, ग्लूकोज शोइंग द कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म, द सेम थिंग व्हिच वी हैव डिस्कस्ड बिफोर। Or now coming to the action of liver on lipid metabolism, यानी कि metabolic function क्या है in lipid metabolism. Lipid में जो है fatty acids they go to the beta oxidation pathway, और जब ये beta oxidation pathway में they generate ATP, and this acetyl CoA and acetyl CoA go to the citric acid cycle, and it will generate a lot of ATPs. And all this process, beta oxidation, occur in the mitochondria. Glucagon activates, insulin inhibits. So this thing also happens in other tissues as well as in the liver as well. लेकिन liver में ये ज़्यादा quantity में होती है, और इसको regulation जो है वो ज़्यादा होता है as compared to other tissues. इसके अलावा लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म में जो है लिवर के एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है, वो ये है कि इट कैन प्रोड्यूस लाइपोप्रोटीन्स लाइक वेरी लो डेंसिटी लाइपोप्रोटीन, लो डेंसिटी लाइपोप्रोटीन एंड हाई डेंसिटी लाइपोप्रोटीन. These three type of lipoproteins, they are synthesized by the liver. तो जब भी GIT में डाइट में whatever we are taking lipid, it is absorbed into the portal vein, it goes to the liver, and then liver transport that lipid to the tissues through these lipoproteins. Very low density lipoprotein, which is ultimately converted into low density lipoprotein, और इसके अलावा it also produce HDL यानी कि high density lipoprotein for the reverse direction transportation of the cholesterol. So if liver is not there, it is not functioning, then there will be deficiency of very low density lipoprotein. एक मसला होगा कि lipid कैसे transport हो to the tissues, and that will cause the A beta lipoproteinemia if liver is damaged. Another important function, exclusive function of the liver about lipid metabolism is that it produces ketone bodies. Ketone bodies क्या है? Ketone bodies जो है, actually there are three compounds: acetic acid, acetone, hydroxybutyrate. They are known as ketone bodies, and two molecules of acetyl-CoA condense to form a single ketone body. So liver जो है, they produce ketone bodies, but they do not utilize it as fuel. क्योंकि अगर उसने यूज करना शुरू कर दिया तो सारा वो खुद ही यूज कर लेगा, जबकि कीटोन बॉडीज इज फॉर द टिश्यूज के जब बहुत ही ज्यादा स्टार्वेशन हो, बहुत जरूरत हो एसिटाइल कोए की, तो उस वक्त कीटोन बॉडीज जो है ग्लूकोज भी नहीं मिल रहा, देन द बॉडी form the ketone bodies, and these ketone bodies provide acetyl-CoA to the tissues for the citric acid cycle, ताकि सेल जो है वो ATP जनरेट कर सकें. तो fasting, starvation or diabetes mellitus, in this condition the ketone bodies are formed by the liver. From lipid point of view, liver also have a very exclusive function. एक और इसका function है जो कि दूसरे tissues में नहीं है, वो है cholesterol synthesis. So cholesterol is formed in the liver by the set of enzymes जो कि आपने second year में देखा होगा कि how the cholesterol is formed. Cholesterol is also come from the diet, but it is also formed in the liver as well. So there are two sources of cholesterol in the body. One is the exogenous, जो कि हम diet से लेते हैं, and the second one is the endogenous source, which is from the liver. So liver form the cholesterol. Cholesterol वैसे तो is not is harmful for the body when there is excessive amount, लेकिन normal amount में it is also very much needed by the body. Why? Because cholesterol is the part of the lipid bilayer. Lipid जितने भी cells हैं उसमें lipid bilayer है, outer membrane है, cell membrane है, उसमें जो है cholesterol होता है, और जो fluidity of the membrane जो है plasticity of यानी कि plasticity of the membrane is maintained by the cholesterol. So that's why liver is performing a very important function. It provides body with the cholesterol. So in this picture, we can see that a fatty acid in the liver give acetyl-CoA, and this acetyl-CoA will form the cholesterol. It can form the ketone bodies, and it can form the fatty acids. और इसके बाद जो है it can form the fatty acids, cholesterol and apolipoproteins. जब ये होता है तो liver will form the very low density lipoprotein. So different functions of the liver, exclusive function of the liver in the lipid metabolism. Coming to the functions of the liver in protein metabolism, यहाँ पे भी बहुत ही important function है liver का, that is the urea cycle. Urea cycle is the pathway through which the nitrogen of the amino acids are removed from the body. It is converted into ammonia या nitrogen जो है, it is converted into urea, and then urea is excreted through the kidney outside the body. And it is ammonia and urea, both are very harmful for the body, especially ammonia. or urea is also when high concentration. So that is done by the liver. Liver is the organ where the urea cycle occur. इसके अलावा in protein metabolism, liver also produce lot of proteins, plasma proteins especially. Plasma proteins are required. They are doing the very important function, that is the osmotic pressure they produce, and these proteins actually comes into the liver from into the blood from liver. So it synthesizes proteins and peptides. It is the site of urea cycle and also deamination of the amino acid occur in the liver, but it is also occur in the other tissues as well. Urea cycle, as you can see that amino acid होते हैं, इसमें amino group ammonia में convert हो जाता है amino group, then it converted into carbamyl phosphate, then ornithine comes and it becomes citrulline, arginosuccinate, arginine. Arginine से urea is separated and ornithine is regenerated. So this cycle occurs in the liver, in the hepatocytes all the time, and this urea is produced, small amount of urea is produced continuously from ammonia. If liver is damaged, liver damage होगा, so this function is very much affected. और जब ये function affected होगा, if it is not doing well, then the ammonia will be increased in the body, in the blood. और क्योंकि वो यूरिया में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो पा रही, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत सिवियर, जैसे जैसे अमोनिया की कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ेगी, इट विल कॉज हैव इफेक्ट ओवर द सीएनएस, अनकॉन्शियसनेस होगी, कॉमा भी हो सकता है, और एक पर्टिकुलर टर्म यूज होती है हेपेटिक इंसेफलोपैथी, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीज्ड अमोनिया एंड ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ यूरिया साइकिल इन द लिवर. इसके अलावा when the GIT we take our diet, the amino acids from the portal vein, it goes to the liver, और liver में जो है it is used for the protein synthesis. It can be transformed into carbohydrates. Carbohydrate में convert liver से कर सकता है, जैसे हमने gluconeogenesis process के जरिए. और इसके अलावा जो है one type of amino acid can be changed into another one. और another important function जो कि protein synthesis है, it is done by the liver, especially the plasma proteins. Plasma proteins में जो सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा component है albumin, it is formed by the liver. Most abundant protein होती है 3 to 5 gram per deciliter it is present, और daily 15 to 12 gram of albumin is produced by the liver. Plasma half life जो है 15 to 20 days है. Albumin along with other plasma proteins maintains the plasma osmotic या oncotic pressure. 80% जो है albumin से maintain करता है. बाकी globulin और globin जो है it is about 20%. It binds iron, bilirubin, hormones and drugs. So अगर cirrhosis of the liver, कोई liver disease हो, तो one of the effect is that के albumin will be decreased. And if it is decreased, there will be decrease in the plasma osmotic pressure, और इसकी वजह से it can result in the edema of the tissues. Alpha fetoproteins, इसका अक्सर आप जिक्र सुनते होंगे. So let's see here कि it is the main protein which is in the fetal life, just like plasma protein, albumin होता है, लेकिन when the child is born, so this alpha fetoprotein, which is the main plasma protein, is replaced by albumin. And 1 year of age, तकरीबन 99% जो है replaced हो जाती है, so 1% रहती है. So alpha fetoprotein in the fetal life is actually produced by the liver. Fibrinogen, another protein, and this one is related to the coagulation, and it is synthesized exclusively by the hepatocytes, यानी liver ही खाली जो है fibrinogen produce करता है. Plasma fibrinogen जो है it is 100 to 700 milligram per deciliter, और fibrin threads होते हैं, that is the clot formation. Is another important protein formed by the liver is haptoglobin, and it binds to the iron and protects the kidney from the damage. Ceruloplasmin, it is another protein that binds with the copper and helps in its transport and storage. Copper जो है वो ceruloplasmin से related होता है and transported in the blood by this protein, which is formed by the liver. And Wilson disease is deficiency of the ceruloplasmin. यानी this enzyme जो this protein is deficient, तो उसमें copper जो है वो deficient हो जाएगा body के अंदर, and it will leads to the deficient होगा, लेकिन it will be deposited into the brain and liver, and it will leads to the Wilson disease, which is the liver damage. यानी कि इस disease में liver damage होता है. Now, another important function from metabolic point of view is the bile metabolism. Cholesterol जो कि synthesize होता है liver में, and it also comes from the diet. Majority of it goes to the tissues for the lipid bilayer. वहाँ पे ये cell membrane में incorporate हो जाता है. लेकिन lot of cholesterol is converted into bile salts, and bile, it's about 600 to 800 ml per day. That is the production of the bile salts. और bile salts का क्या function है? It will activate lipase. It will promote micelle formation. Micelle जो होता है, it is bile salts जो है वो bile juice के जरिए जो है it is secreted into the duodenum, और वहाँ पे ये fat absorption के लिए काफी important होते हैं. Not only fats यानी lipids यानी fatty acid और cholesterol absorption में help करते हैं. If they are not there, their absorption will be not so easy. और दूसरा ये है कि fat soluble substances like vitamins और different things जो है lipid soluble substances, उसकी भी absorption जो है वो increase करते हैं. That is the function of the bile salts. So they are produced in the liver. They come into the common hepatic duct. They goes to the. They are stored in the liver. In the bile, the gallbladder, and then through the common bile duct, it goes to the small intestine. So this is the structure of the cholesterol, and this is the structure of the one of the bile salts. Bile salts के भी मुख्तलिफ types होते हैं. That is the cholic acid, cholic acid, deoxycholic acid. So basically, it is a cholesterol molecule जिसमें groups attach हो जाते हैं. इसमें सिर्फ single OH group है. Here we have 2 more OH group, and COOH group is also there at the terminal part. और ये जो chain है ये separate हो गई. So just a modification of the cholesterol molecule gives you bile acids. One of the important function जो कि protein metabolism से कि it synthesize lot of proteins which comes into the plasma. Coagulation factors are also produced by liver. For example, fibrinogen, which is a protein which हमने पहले देखा था कि fibrinogen is produced by the liver. Prothrombin, it is also produced by the liver. और इसके अलावा clotting factors 5, 7, 9, 10, and 11. These are produced by the liver as well. Protein C and protein S, antithrombin, these are all produced by the liver. और ये सारी चीजें, all these factors and proteins are used for the clotting of the blood. Again, if the liver is damaged, the coagulation will be affected. Coagulation function of the body is affected or होगा. Liver is also act as a storage organ. We have seen that it act as a storage organ for the carbohydrate, यानी glycogen जो है, it is stored in the hepatocytes, and it is also the site where vitamin A is stored, and it is also the site where vitamin K is also stored. So in liver disease, this storage function will be affected, and there could be the deficiency of these vitamins could occur in the case of the liver disease. It is also the storage site of the iron because it produces transferrin and ferritin. These are the two proteins which are responsible for the transport and metabolism of the iron, as well as the storage. और इसके अलावा liver also have effect as a huge enzyme system for the heme formation. Hemoglobin में जो heme molecule है, you had seen that it is formed in the liver, जिसमें iron जो होता है protoporphyrin ring के साथ attach हो जाता है, and these rings are formed in the liver, and then iron comes and attach, it becomes heme. फिर इसके बाद globin chain जो है, that comes and it forms the hemoglobin molecule. So porphyrias, which is inability of the body to synthesize porphyrin rings, तो उसकी वजह से porphyria हो सकता है. So that occurs because of the liver disease, defect in the heme metabolic pathways. One very important function of the liver is the metabolism of the drugs. Externally, जो भी medications we are taking, for example, if we take aspirin या फिर कोई भी antibiotic है, if we take, so अगर वो clear ना हो तो उसका indefinite effect हो. But luckily it is excreted by the body and it has have a particular life, half life in the blood, और फिर इसके बाद वो body में clear हो जाती है. So that is the main site, the main organ which clears the body from the substances, exogenous as well as endogenous, is the liver. And there are, why liver is doing this thing? Because it got the enzyme system. इसमें जो है पहले एक phase 1 reactions होता है, इसमें कोई भी drug यानी medication जो है, it goes to the liver, और वहाँ पे जो है chemical reactions होते हैं, oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, and because of the result of this reactions on the molecule of the drugs, वो change हो जाता है, it becomes more polar, and that is done by the cytochrome P450 system, which is present in the hepatocytes and in the endoplasmic reticulum of the hepatocytes, and they produce the phase 1 reactions of the medications by oxidation, reduction, and hydrolysis processes. Another enzyme system is also present in the liver, which produce the phase 2 reactions of the drugs, and that is in the microsomal system, hepatic microsomal enzyme system, this one. ये system जो है, it will attach the group to the एक्सटर्नल मॉलिक्यूल, यानी कि ड्रग मॉलिक्यूल के साथ अगर वो ग्लूकुरोनिक एसिड अटैच कर दे तो इट बिकम्स ग्लूकुरोनाइडेशन. द प्रोसेस इज नोन एज, या रिएक्शन इज नोन एज ग्लूकुरोनाइडेशन. इफ it attaches the sulfur, the process will be known as sulfation, and it can attach the methyl and acetyl group. So these reactions together known as phase 2 reaction, it occurs in the hepatic microsomal enzyme system. The most common one is the glucuronidation, या attachment of the glucuronic acid to the drugs. जब भी ये group attach होगा, it becomes more hydrophilic, और जब भी कोई molecule hydrophilic हो जाता है, it can be easily excreted through the body by the kidneys, या it can also go into the bile duct, and through the bile it can be excreted through GIT. So phase 2 reactions, it is also done in the liver as well. Sorry, in the liver exclusively. Phase 1 reaction, cytochrome P450, and phase 2 reaction, hepatic microsomal enzyme system. There is also phase 3 reactions as well, and it is done by the ABC, यानी कि ATP binding cassette transport proteins. ATP binding cassette transport proteins, जैसे short form में ABC कहते हैं. ये enzyme system जो है, it will also produce with the help of ATP, it converts the drug molecules into their inactive form, और उस form में आ जाते हैं कि वो excrete हो सके. Phase 1 reaction enzymes जो है, अगर cirrhosis होगा तो they are very susceptible, और phase 2 reaction enzymes जो है, they are more resistant, और advanced liver disease में भी जो है ये function liver का वो बाकी रह जाता है, जबकि phase 1 reaction वाले जो है वो problematic होता है. तो जब भी cirrhosis होता है of the liver है इस तरह के patient में जो है, you have to change the dose of the drugs, because liver is not deactivating that antibiotics या कोई भी दूसरी medication है, तो उसकी वजह से dose रिलीज आपको कम करनी पड़ेगी ताकि वो जो है ज़्यादा एक toxic level में ना आ जाए. So there are few medications like anticonvulsant, rifampicin, isoniazid, glucocorticoids. They can increase and decrease this microsomal enzyme system. अगर positive induction हुआ है तो duration of action of drugs will be decreased, और अगर negative induction हुआ है यानी कि उसकी speed कम कर दी microsomal enzyme की, तो intensity of action of the drugs will be increased. Liver also have endocrine function. For example, it converts vitamin D, yani 25 hydroxycholecalciferol, into 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, 25 hydroxycholecalciferol, और फिर ये मजीद कन्वर्ट हो जाता है एक्टिव फॉर्म में किडनी में. So it also have a endocrine function. इसके अलावा it also produce insulin-like growth factors or somatomedins, which is the growth hormone. So it is important in the growth of a person. Growth hormone जो है, it produce insulin-like growth factors in the liver. Not only that, liver also removes the hormones which are circulating in the blood. So insulin, glucagon, growth hormone, or different GIT hormones जो है, it is removed by the liver. Again, क्योंकि liver has phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 reactions, so it can remove the substances and convert them into inactive form. इसके अलावा liver जो है, it also act as a blood reservoir. ब्लड इसके अंदर एक्सपेंडेबल साइनोसॉइड्स होते हैं, तो ब्लड जो है एक्स्ट्रा ब्लड इसमें जो है स्टोर हो जाता है। एंड व्हेन द लिवर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, जब लिवर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है तो ये एक्स्ट्रा ब्लड जो उधर स्टोर हुआ हुआ है वो जो है सर्कुलेशन में आ जाता है। इम्यून एंड इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पॉन्स, कुफर सेल्स जो है, द सेल्स जो साइनोसाइट्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जब भी कोई एंटीजन आती है दे डाइजेस्ट एंड गिव देम टू द मेमोरी सेल्स, और उसकी वजह से जो है इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पॉन्स जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होता है। So these are the different functions of the liver, biochemical functions of the liver. इसके अलावा भी और बहुत सारे minor functions हैं, and you will see properly where according to different modules. These are the references of the today's lecture. If you want to read further, read these books. And thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask in the chat box. Chat box. Can you please repeat the phase reactions? This question come. बेटा आपको बताया था, these are the phase 1 reactions and phase 2 reactions. Phase 1 reaction जो होता है, it is cytochrome P450 enzyme system which is present in the liver, in the endoplasmic reticulum. And कोई भी molecule होता है external, उसमें oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis process reactions होते हैं by these enzymes and convert inactive form में हो जाता है, and it becomes more polar, and if it is polar then it can be easily excreted through the kidney. Phase 2 reaction, hepatic microsomal enzyme system है, another enzyme system which is present in the liver, and it by this enzyme system different groups are attached to the molecules. जो external molecules होते हैं exogenous, उसमें glucuronic acid, sulfate, methyl, acetyl group जो है add हो सकते हैं, इसकी वजह से that molecule become inactive and can be excreted out from the body. So, any other question? तो बेटा आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि feedback you have to give to the principal on immediate basis, ताकि आपके feedback से we can improve our systems. So, okay, thank you very much.
जी सर, एंड करें क्लास है?
हाँ, एक मिनट रुकना, किसी ने हैंड रेज किया। कम इनटू द चैट बॉक्स। हारिस, somebody raised hand, आप चैट बॉक्स में क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं।
चैट बॉक्स ओपन है सर।
हाँ, कोई चैट बॉक्स में क्वेश्चन
नहीं नहीं, ये प्रिंसिपल का वो मैंने रिमाइंडर भेजा है, जो एवोल्यूशन का है ना सर, उसका मैंने लिंक वगैरह सब भेजा है।
ठीक। Okay, finish the class.
ओके सर, अल्लाह हाफिज, टेक केयर।
Hello.